Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you could actually do spot trading on sex.io. Now, the meaning of spot trading is simply you using a crypto to get another crypto. So if you have some Dogecoin just like me, that I have about 20 Dogecoin here, so you could use it to get USDT and vice versa. So in order to do this, I've deposited some Dogecoin here, so to get started, you have to head over to the trade section. So when you click on trade, by the lower right here, you will see different pairs available. But since we want to trade Dogecoin, I'm going to search Doge. So just search for it. Now, when you search it, you have several pairs, but we are more interested in trading Doge for USDT. So we had this selected over here. So currently one Dogecoin is trading at over 0.17 USDT. So since we have Dogecoin here, that means we need to sell it to get a USDT. So I'm going to click on sell right here, but there's an issue, and the issue here is that the amount of Dogecoin I have is less than the minimal amount needed to be able to trade on spot. But there's a solution for that. So let's say I want to trade 20 Dogecoin. You can see that the least amount here is 150 Dogecoin. So that's to say that we we can't trade this. So if you're like me, what you should do is head over to the homepage. So just go back. So you need to leave the spot trading category entirely, but I hope you guys understand how to trade it. So let me see if I can show you that. So when, for instance, after searching Dogecoin here, then you select the pair, you will get here. So you have Dogecoin and you want USDT. That means you have to click on sell. But if you have USDT, but you want Dogecoin, you have to click on buy. So if you click on sell, the first thing to do is to enter the amount and also select the type of whether you want market or limit and all of that. So I prefer you go with market. Now, when you enter the amount here, you can then click on sell. So just tap at sell, but that's of course if you have the minimum amount needed. So click on sell and follow it up from there. So let me show you the alternative. You could actually use if you don't have the list of minimal amount needed to trade on spot. So go ahead and go to your dashboard here, click on convert. Then you will see something like this. Just select the or look for Dogecoin. Then you have to make sure that Dogecoin is at the top. So that's if you have a Dogecoin like me, then what we need to do is actually just enter something like 10 Dogecoin and convert it to USDT. So something I'm going to click on confirm. So this has been converted successfully. Now I got 1.53 USDT by converting the 10 Dogecoin I have. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!